Earlier, most of the times I'm always going to choose new subjects to teach. New subjects to teach most of the times. Okay, I handled Java, Python, Django REST framework, next DevOps, Linux, like Git for DevOps, Python for data science, next CRT sessions, arithmetic and reasoning, manual testing, Selenium, like all these things I handled. Earlier, my mentality, my way of doing the things is, I require to prepare every day. I have to take the session. That's my habit because I don't know anything about that. What happened is someday, evening at 7:30, the session is zoomed. Keep on preparing. Preparation not up to the mark. Then I will ask my team, can you please send me a message saying, today, lack of preparation. Sir is not in a position to take the session. Drop the message. And connect the Zoom and display that message. Okay, if any person not seeing the message, at least they will see the on the screen display, and then they will leave the session. Like I asked her, I did multiple times, but now my mindset got changed. You are not required to take full-fledged class. Learn at least 2 points. Better to tell only those 2 points. You can convey, today my preparation are not up to the mark. These are the basic idea I will provide. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will discuss in detail. Don't worry, you will get the clarity. Like, then obviously that the rule is working like anything, man. My preparation not up to the mark. That's why I can't take the session like, not only today, tomorrow also the same situation. Day after tomorrow also same situation. Preparation not up to the mark. Perfect. But how much you prepared? At least 2 points you prepared, right? Better to teach up to 2 points only. Krishna, are you in the position to understand my way of doing the things? Okay, just 2 minutes. I will log in. Okay, these are the points what I covered. Okay, these are the 2 points what I'm going to tell. Even I didn't get much clarity, but definitely tomorrow we are going to discuss in detail. Don't worry at all. Up to this, everyone got the basic idea. Like I told. Even sometimes, believe me, not having the time to prepare. I'm on somewhere, okay, my native place or somewhere on busy activities. But I promised myself, at least 5 minutes I require to take the session. I should not miss the session. Like I log in, what I did is, no trainer, no faculty is going to do these kind of things. Believe me. No faculty, no trainer is going to do this type of things. What I did is, I opened the ChatGPT. Just I asked, MCP concept, we don't know. I don't know anything about MCP. Can you please provide about MCP in 1 line or 2 lines? Okay, like then MCP is going to tell, okay, this is the purpose. AI model want to connect with the outside world, okay, like databases or otherwise like another tools, third-party tools, like for that MCP is going to be used. So like it's going to tell, okay, not 1 point. Can you please provide 5 to 6 bullet points? Now, but just I'm reading those statements. I'm reading those statements in live. I'm trying to explain those statements for the students. Because I didn't prepare anything. Then I asked ChatGPT, can you please provide some 10 multiple choice questions on this concept? Am I in a position to answer? Or my students is in a position to answer? Like on fly, with the help of ChatGPT, I handled that session. But even, believe me, with zero preparation, just half an hour or 1 hour what I spent with the ChatGPT in live with the students, students got the benefit, I too got the benefit. But earlier my cinema is, drop a message, lack of preparation, sir is not taking the session. But now, at least 2 minutes action is going to create miracles in your life. Believe me, sir. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So my way of handling the things are completely changed. So believe me, yesterday case only, I prepared. There is one vector. What is that, Naveen? I forgot the name also. Huh? Sopa base.
Superlative.
Sopa base. I have to teach that concept. I prepared, but still somewhere confidence is lacking because I require to create another app. I require to check. Then only I can explain. Then what I did is, in the session, yesterday, we created one workflow. I explained only once on the same concept. Let me go for again another workflow. Now we will get much clarity. Like I told day before yesterday, what workflow I explained. The same thing with the small changes. I explained that to get more clarity. Whether the students got the clarity or not, now I got the clarity by repeating that. By repeating that, I got much clarity. Students also felt very happy, believe me. But earlier, my situation is class cancelled because sir is not having complete idea on the next topic. Okay, tomorrow he's going to take the session. Observe, because of that mentality, how much loss was happened. Because of this mentality, how much gain is happening. Now you can observe. At least 2 minutes action can change your life. Remember this one. At least 2 minutes. Just you are in the continuation. That thing is very important.